everybody, it's Robbie, and it's 2-Minute Tuesday, and today I'm going to do it on hummingbirds. It's hummingbird season almost all over the United States, so they are hungry little guys as they're having babies, and they are looking for food. So what you can do is put out a hummingbird feeder, and you can make your own hummingbird food with sugar, and all you need is white sugar and water. If you can drink your tap water, they can drink the water. If you want to use bottled water, that's fine too. But it has to be white sugar. Do not use brown sugar, honey, or powdered sugar, which has cornstarch. White sugar, plain old white sugar, whether it's sugar beet or sugar cane, either one is fine. I prefer sugar cane, but you could use either one. That's the only sugar that they know how to metabolize their body. So that's the only type of sugar you want to use. So you just mix it. It's a quarter ratio. It's a quarter of a cup of sugar to 1 cup of water. If you've got a lot of hummingbirds like me, then it's 1 cup of sugar to 4 cups of water. And you mix it up really good until it's all dissolved, and then you fill your feeders. Any extra you can store in the refrigerator for up to about 5 days. But that's all there is to it. And if you end up with bees, because maybe your hummingbird feeder has holes that are too big, just take the hummingbird feeder down at night and move it to a new location. If the hummingbirds don't find your feeder, find another location where they maybe can see it better until they know you've got food for them. And once they know, they are going to be here all the time. So have a wonderful day. If you've got any questions, go ahead and feel free to ask. And don't forget to eat what you grow. Bye-bye, everybody.